Hi, today is 4th of May 2026. I'm here in Slough, Farnham Road. Used to be there, over there, used to be Sainsbury, and I thought I should just make some video. The reason I'm mentioning Sainsbury over there, Theresa May came 2014, and I used to live there over there. 236A. I used to live there. Landlord asked for £220 per month. Local council refused to pay me. Housing benefit, no jobless. Job center. Then I decided to go to Pakistan. It was a cheap ticket. I said, let's go. Pakistan. There is I can afford this cheap ticket. Forget job center. Looking for job. I have a little bit money left. Let's see what kind of Pakistani from there, Indian, so called. And here is a Ladbroke Casino. And then the day was 2 days after I had a flight. Theresa May came with their very dark, not very healthy people, Pakistani origin, escorted by them. Oh, over there, Maidenhead. Oh, over there, Maidenhead. If you used to walk there, 2014, I decided, and was a Pakistani students. Hang on a second, man. Let me get through from here. And some work permit who came for student visa. Ali Bhai, remember? Ali Bhai, there was a Shia. Amir Bhai from Jhelum. Saad came from Bhabalpur, I think. Especially Bhabalpur. Especially live here somehow. Make some Indian thugs, so-called Indian thugs. Pakistani! I was Indian, they can't be over there. Tanmanjeet Singh Desi. Indian aggressive nowadays. Tamil, dark skin one. They have to prove it back in India. Tamil movie show. How gangsters are doing it here. They literally come and push me by shoulder, rubbing the shoulder. Recently, lots of been imported. Got nationalities, bringing families, parents and children, everyone together here. Labrador highly educated. Lots of boat people are money coming. Anyways, I was saying, I told them, no, just one day, Amir got a job from Pakistani, your Paki from Westcott. One Paki was doing his lap, you know, like that. Just now, the baby Jesus in the cot. Go there. Pray. Just over there, Farnham Road. Trying to send a messages. I don't know to whom they are sending. Uncle Samoa, Sir Steer Carver, Armenia, Nigora Karnavag, which song I used to watch long ago before Armenia, Azerbaijan songs. Zimliaik, Nigorno Karabakh, European Jesus here. Is a Trinity. I desperately want to show my triple X military grade, MI5 stars, no military grade porno to kids. With a girl, where got a vagina, uterus. Yeah. Why I'm not allowed to have a relationship as a man? Gay rights. Woman rights. Bullshit. Pussy. Pussy riots in Moscow. They arrested na 13th. They took me to Maidenhead. Theresa May was a home secretary. I used to hug there before Prime Minister. Before Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. They arrested me too. I thought they were going to take me to Slough police station. Very next day, pussy riots, and there was a girl being handcuffed. £50,000 or dollar? I think pound, no dollar it states. White girl woman arrested, na, the police handcuffed her. 50,000 she got money. Dollar, I think a dollar. I don't know. Something very familiar. Fat woman she was that. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq. Joker was there also. Uncle Svoa was over there with a mic in a room. Prime Minister office. Me officer, zero officer here. Lots of people. Where is my uncle? Thames Valley police uncle. Arrested Prince Andrew. Puji, Fido. Yeah, no, sorry. I got a job in controller, taxi job. And they asked him, the Pakistani dark skin officer, owner, escort. Here is uncle coming. Make a video of it, uncle. I'm gonna, don't disappoint uncle. Was aunt me there. I love the white uncle over there. Anyways, and start to pick up habit. Anyways, I mean I should reduce that word. Memes. And yeah. So he said make our shoes, polish shoes, and make sure everyone be a discipline, and all drivers are polished shoes. The trail one, Dan one, which one? Inverse feet one. Make sure shoes are polished, sole are polished, sole from Slough, and shoe sole this time, not a white sole, a black sole. We were sitting in it was a big kitchen in that flat. We were, as a housemate, we were sitting, and we were speaking Urdu actually, not Punjabi even. In Urdu, I just said, you know, Amir, next time na, all that happens, what you do, put your flip-flops. Put your flip-flops on the table, and who is not putting polished shoes, send them, go home straight away, not you home, go home, straight go home, very disciplined. Put your flip-flops and track suit, rough suit, like what I'm wearing now, not in a business suit or any official casual. You know, go in that dress and flip-flop, wear flip-flop, and say go home, and put your shoes on the table. Tell them who's the boss. And they laughed. Then I told them, they laughed, and I said, no, I'll tell you what. Once Pharaoh gathered, Pharaoh, you know, they call it Pharaoh from Egypt one, Illuminati's one, pyramids one. Pharaoh gathered his people, no, cabinet, the ministers and all that. He established, you know, the court, when he called people high ranking, and then told them he's planning to marry his sister. And they started, sister fucker, wait for it, the actual one is coming. That was, I used to live there over there 2014, and Pharaoh said, yeah, you want to get it. They just started laughing. He said, no, listen, fool, further up. And he told them, his cabinet and his ministers, that I want by law. And according to Pharaoh's law, it's not possible that one can married to incest, like a brother and sister can get married. They got shocked, and when after some time, weeks or whatever the time they gave him, and then when they came back after week or month, whenever they came back, that's what exactly the word by word nearly I told, you know, we were narrating the story about that like a joke, you know, casual story. They came back, and they said, we look all the constitution, every article, we've been through all that, you're according to the law, It is not possible. One can, you can get married to your own sister. But there is a one law, top law, that Pharaoh, like Pharaoh itself, whatever he wants to do it, he can do. He's above the law. That's the law. That's the law apply for to the ordinary peoples. It doesn't apply to the Pharaoh. He's above the law. Whatever he kill, release from the death sentence person, he's God. He's above the law. Law doesn't. He doesn't abide by the law. Is law, and that's how he got married. Uh, got married to his sister, and then big laughter happened. But afterwards, soon started things. CSI in Miami was showing black, this time West African, like slaves one with the white mix one. In Africa, getting married to his sister. CSI Miami was telling, no, that woman is actually his sister. And at that occasion, I was telling because I think the Musa, his ministers told him, magician so called, that he's married to his own sister. That's the prophecy one, the Trinity one. That 20%. We will talk about that later on. That's the prophecy one. The woman, the mysterious, the one they say, I am 21, the white shadow, the watery one. The one, the today, the witch. Anyways, anyways. Then Scott Morrison also sanctioned. They were playing sports, killing Taliban's Afghani sports, killing. Then the chopped legs inverse with the flip flops on it. Chopped leg of Afghani's Pekis with the leg on it, other way around. Today laughing, making selfies with the chopped leg. Just recently made some cops killed, and they literally even the video and the little slap was on the kangaroo court. Scott Morrison was doing it. That's very war crime. You shouldn't be sporting literally people making score like a gangster, not gangster, Genghis Khan. Let's make Genghis Khan great again. And Ilhan Omar, your best friend, your love, not gonna ask you again. Married to his own sister and no brother, and came to England. Came to USA. Somali, because Pharaoh, in my understanding, little bit of research, not Egyptian philanthropist. No, was that a hieroglyphs specialist, PhD holder? The actual Pharaoh was very, very racist, super duper racist, and not pedigree. Like even the sperm should stay in the parent. Like a brother and sister, and very elite, and they were actually the same, more nearest, if not the same race of Somali looks, Somali origin. Which time was that Einstein? Here is very top beauty was a Somali look in Pharaoh's top beauty. Thames Valley, the metropolitan British which say investigation, they were racist for calling Somalis are ugly. Now my lovely Somali brothers and sisters, now they're not gonna call you. Now they worry about the female genital mutation, so-called pharaonic circumcision, because that's about that sister Musa's. The Quran one, I think, is in Quran also mentioned Maryam, his sister. Not the Jesus, mother of Jesus, Maryam. Anyways, I'm not that specialist religion, but the today is real. The 21st Trinity, media, when you had a contact with the heavens, not the intelligence services media, was on the phone. They getting everyone information. Who should go there? Who should get there? Today, Jesus are there. Council houses, visas, big officers, top man, prime minister, prostitutes. Heavens are here. Yeah. Anyways, oh sorry again. Anyways, so Uncle Samoa hired me, Budur Palette. एक है सर steer car. You should have taken me, not with the mic on it like that in office. You should have taken me to Yerevan, Armenia. Armenian war, we will talk about it. What was COP 2029? 30? Which was that? The Baku one. Yeah. Prince Andrew, na Prince Andrew, uncle and niece. That's me, not niece. She's a young. I do appear honestly. When I walk, I appear very young boy, and or young girl, and sometimes they come near the uncle. There's a grown up, about 54. I don't know when, but yeah. This is the little bit. I have a pepper, salt and pepper here. Just this one is died. I'm gonna not. I don't know. Just anyways. When they arrest na police, they say Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, date of birth 26 January 1972. Make a file 25th April. Wooji came out of nowhere for no reason. Wooji. Sports. Which is na God, 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 Holy Ghost. They saw na that watery reflection. Translucence one, white supremacy, and yeah, how about feminist gangster, which is Priti Patel, very gangster. No, all Nigal Frog, Nigel Farage, Priti Patel, Iraqi gangster Brown, Nadeem Zawabi, Swella Babraman. She gonna start. I was gonna say gin specialist. Anyway, Elon Umar, he's not gonna ask it again. Beauty concept, nor calling Somalis are like that's the Pharaoh's actual race. Be my guest. Somali brothers, I will talk about later on, and sister. Inna Allah tabirin. Don't get involved that racism. I beg you, please. Watch it. How beautiful city is coming there. Somalia, in Amazon. Lula de Silva not gonna like me because that dam doesn't require it. Sugar cane, ethanol did not require for it. We will talk about later on. Solar City, I was talking about, not prophecy. Grand Renaissance Dam, Ethiopian Black Jesus. Watch. Ethiopian Black Jesus. Yeah, Black Jesus. That dam didn't require it first place. Ethiopia is unnecessarily in debt. So Pakistan. See, Pakistani, so it is Pakistani mechanic. You turn on the YouTube, Pakistani mechanic suffocate the air condition. Air conditioners also, world is shocked. One rickshaw, he put another scrap car. Chinese engineer especially coming to see Pakistani mechanic, the sadak chop, the roadside one. We will talk about the roadside anyways. I think, anyways. I think that's enough. Limping. King was limping. I do limp. I think left feet is, my knees hurt. So I start a level. Glamorous. The United Kingdom. Intel property. Above the law. Donald Trump not gonna call it again. No, Irani. Once had a very good Iranian friends back in 2007 or 8, and I used to do at that time taxi. They become friends. Anyway, I mean, I just took them, drove them. They asked me take them to. I said I will not charge you the fare. They become good friend of mine. They said take us to their friend in London, and I drove them to London. They were like a good people, good friends of mine. Incidentally, they were from Iranian Azerbaijan. I don't know what was the issue. Is that which political asylum they were here? So had gone to that their friend. His flat was actually there was a couple of Iranians were there, and they offered me a tea, Iranian tea. I liked it, a bit of hospitality, just a kava. And one guy, so-called Iranian white, brown hair, beard, and this Somali update along the side, Somali beauty, and then this guy said, where you from Pakistan? Yeah. And you Sunni? I said, yeah. He really, like not aggressive, like dangerous one. Want to like a really dangerous aggressive, like where you can be physically harmed or even to get killed or something. My friends are, oh hey, I don't know, they knew, even I got scared. And I said, calm down. But then things calmed down. And because they were my friend, I didn't want to make a big fuss. And I said, let's talk about girls, Iranian girls, something like that. He said, go, look, I said, go get married. No, get married to Somali girl. I said, he should have, if he should have said Pakistani girl, woman, I would have been much happier. Or other. Why he said Somali? They are very racist. Donald Trump's proud people. Iranian. Holy shit. I thought, I even said no, I said, I will get married. At that time, I'm physically very, male as a husband. I will get married to a Somali girl. Don't worry about it. Things gonna calm down, but I really mean it. I wish I could have get married to a Somali girl and have a children together. His auntie behind. Man, ideally watch from YouTube. Make a comment, not like that. Deep state. We got a special exemption. I think we're making too much. And that's the council. I used to bring my children here to get registered. It used to be a council office here. This building. I don't know if it's still functional or not. Even when I came to England, my ex-wife took me here. We registered our marriage here. Okay, I think that should be enough here. Family specialist. Very specialist. I think that's enough for today. Bye bye.